Hi guys, my name is Nahid Afzal. Welcome back to the art class. Today our topic is basic shapes with edges and shading. Now let's start. Just draw one diagonal line and the other side the same diagonal line and join together. That is called triangle. Then straight vertical line both sides and join together with horizontal lines. That is called square. Then slightly move around the pencil just like this and make circle, and then start curve line smoothly step by step, and then make circle, make firm line around this circle like this. Then again draw two vertical long lines, then curve line together, join these lines with curve lines and make an oval shape of the top of cylinder. That is called cylinder, and the bottom of the area just draw curve line. That is called cylinder. These are the basic shapes of lines. Now let's start the further stages of the basic shapes. Now let's start. I'm gonna make again the same two parallel lines, then join together and make triangle. Then the small diagonal line I put upward and then join together at the top, and that is called pyramid. And now the same again I make two lines and just the bottom of the two lines just I make square, and the top also again I join together, that is square, and then I make cube. So I gonna make cube. Just draw small diagonal line the upside and the downside the same, and the other side the same. I draw three diagonal lines and just join together with these diagonal lines with a straight line, and that is called cube. And then again with the palm of hand just slightly draw circle. Remember our first class? There you start making circle freehand, just the smooth round line, then you made circle. So then the small curved lines join together like this, and then make firm line of circle, join together and make a circle, and that is also called sphere. The other one is again two long lines, vertical lines, and then make curved line, join together, and then make oval shape, and then at the bottom underneath just draw curved line, and that is called sphere. And again just I draw for the pyramid, the different kind of pyramid, I just draw like a cone shape, and then I make curved line at the bottom and then make pyramid. These are the basic shapes, and just you have a look, these are the 2D shapes. And now I'm gonna make 3D, these are shapes. Now let's start with the triangle or with the pyramid. Just slightly, just do shading, just light underline the under the lines, just slightly do shading, just slightly fill the portion, all the pyramid area with the HB pencil, just slightly do shading. Now with the help of 4B or maybe 2B if you have, then slightly darker area, the portion is darker, and just slightly dark shading, just do shading the portion like this, and the portion is little bit middle tone, just middle tone, and that is lighter area, and that is should be little bit darker like this. And also shadow also here, so make shadow like this. I'm gonna do again start shading in shadow area, just slightly I do, but the portion near to the pyramid it little bit darker, and then the middle tone, and the bottom of the line is little bit dark, is darker area, and then edges should be firm with the lines. That is called 3D shape, pyramid 3D shapes. Now let's start cube. So the back area is just start shading light, just do a just the middle tone, just the simple light with the 2B pencil, just do it. Then the HB in the front area of the cube, just start do shading, just slightly fill the portion, and then the middle tone just little bit darker of the front area where the light comes, little bit dark, and then the darker area of the side of the cube, and then start doing the dark portion of the area with the shading within the outlines. Just do the dark shading like this, and look, that is 3D feeling, is three-dimensional cube. And now of course the shading also here, and then the shading area, just with the pencil, just do shading, slightly goes out like this, and then it's little bit dark. After that, with HB pencil, make the edges firm, and then the corner is little bit dark, and that is our cube. Now make sphere with the HB pencil. I just gonna do light shading with the curved line, with the just slightly I move my pencil and then fill all the circle or sphere. And now the portion is little bit dark, is the darker area of the sphere, and that is middle tone, that is dark, that is middle tone, that is light, and is little bit darker from the light, and then mix together. And with the help of 2B, and then start shading on the dark portion. It's like this, that is dark portion, and then join together with the middle tone, and that is more darker than light, and then join together with the light like this, and that is called sphere. With the shading you make 3D feeling of sphere, and definitely there the shadow, and so the shadow lines is darker, and then going for the lighter tone, and then again with the help of HB pencil make firm lines, make edges clear, and then shading, continues doing smoothly, do shading and make sphere. Okay, and then the next step is cylinder. So again just light shading with the curved line, just move the pencil, just the shape of cylinder, just the 3D, and then light fill the cylinder, and then the middle part should be dark, should be darker than the both of the sides is darker, and then the middle tone join together within the lines, just gonna do shading and join together to the other part, and with 3B or 2B you have, then the portion, this one is little bit darker darker and make the edges little bit darker like this, and the middle tone joined together, the is cylinder, and the portion, the upper part, the edges area is darker and then smoothly lighter inside. And again the shadow is like this, and then edges should be dark, then slightly gonna do shading, slightly light tone, and then near to the cylinder is little bit dark and then light, and that is called cylinder. Now with the triangle I draw the one shape of pyramid, and then with the shape of cone I draw cone shape, and then I just make a pyramid, and in the middle of the area I just draw, fill all the cone shape, triangle, pyramid. I just fill with the lighter tone, and then with the middle I just gonna do little bit darker than the others. And with the help of my darker shading pencil I just the portion I gonna do darker, and then again join with the middle tone. The is darker than is middle tone, and the is lighter area. And then from light to dark there the shadow lines. So shadow lines near the edges is little bit dark, and then the lighter tone, and then make edge for with the firm line, just draw properly, and that is called pyramid. Today you learned all the shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes, all with the help of lines. Thank you. Bye.